no, guys. Where did this rain come from? You guys want to go to the coop? I made you guys some cheese if you want to go to the garage. I know you guys don't want to go out from under the tree. Come on, girls. Come on. Let's go into the garage. Come on. Come on, girls. Good girls. Good girls. Come on. Come on, honey. We'll go to the garage. You don't have to go to bed. Oh, you guys are so smart. Come on. Come on, girls. There you guys go. Go ahead. You guys haven't been in that coop for a long time. I'm going to have to make sure we got everything we need in there. Come on.
We're just going to stand there.